down back, Taylor. You're not playing defense, bud. You gotta move over and get involved. Mark up. Find someone in blue. No, in front of you. Talk.
No. No, it wasn't.
You have to get up there now, bud. Talk.
Johnny, man, Johnny.
Behind the net, both sides.
All right, guys, find your feet. Jacob.
It's not a throw over you. Step. Green ball. Green.
Taylor, you have to come up so he can come up.
Chase.
Let's score quick, Brady.
Chase. Don't stop. He's getting the ball. You got to see.
Jay, man!
Good job, Jay.
Justin! Hey, Jay! Way up, way up. Far post, Josh. Get the ball to the far post for Jay.
Let's try. Get back, get back, get back. Help out. Chase these out, chase these out.
Go with them, Caleb. Go.
Good job, Jay. Get up there, Jay. Get up, get up, get up. Go to the goal, go to the goal. Go to the goal. It's the wrong side.
Josh up! Josh up! Come on, Josh! Come on, Josh! Take up! Take up!
No punting.
Johnny, good job. Hey, don't back off. Shift over, Johnny, shift over. Jake. Take up.
Left. There it is.
Take up.
Nice lofty.
They're a little, yeah, they're full size. Oh. We can edit.
No.
Take you back up. Take you back up. Come on, Ashton. Keep going. Keep going.
Return, Ashton. Nice tempo.
Chase the ball. Chase the ball. Going out to the ball.
Good send, Chase. Nice try. Great ball, Chase.
Midfield is behind you, marking the way you're supposed to mark it.
All right, Chase, you two guys again. Can't come on the right.
Throw, Ashton.
Have it. Oh.
Good idea, boys. Good idea.
Corner, someone take it.
Chase.
Hey, you got middle.
This way, Chase. This way.
Goal side. Ball.
Too much.
Ooh,
Easy.
Josh, Josh.
Idea.
No punting.
Keep going back, Justin. Keep going back.
You're not supposed to punt.
Need help, boys. Come back. Out the middle.
Yes.
Left and right, Chase.
Good job, Chase.
Yeah. You can drop kick, but you can't. You can. Well, it's if it's in the rule. Yeah, you can drop kick, but you cannot punt.
Stay tight. Don't let him go.
Just so I can know if I miss it.
Right.
Out, out.
Go back. Stop. Get up top, Ashton.
Good job, Caden.
Talk, buddy, talk.
Handball.
There you go.
Caleb, go back. Chase, Chase. Got two guys. Two guys.
You got him, Jake.
Come on, Jake.
Yes,
Come on,
Jake.
Jake.
There it is.
Oh,
Oh, one more dribble. There.
stay on it, Josh. Stay on it.
Braden, come get it.
Good job, Brayden. Good job, Brayden. Brayden, come on, go. Let him hear you.
Nope.
Aggressive.
Reset yourself, Brayden.
Possession.
Reset yourself now, Brayden.
Buddy, buddy, one touch, get your head up.
Jake, come on back. Hey, guys, you with them. Between.
Shot.
Back up just a little bit. One step back. Back. Take a step forward. Okay.
Down the line, down the line.
Outside. Yeah. Go center. Go center.
Talk.
Okay, Caleb, reach out. Reach out. Reach out, Caleb. Well done. Chase me back up. Chase me back up. Cam, don't let your man go. That's it. Don't let him go, Cam. Don't let him go.
Caleb, you're standing.
Cam, Cam.
We are 15:35 right now.
Next man in. Next man in. Let's go. Between. Between. Everybody help. You're not even there. Come on out. Gotta go out.
Gotta make a pass.
It's my half backs. Come on, Chase, stand up, stand up. Caleb's ball, Caleb's ball. Caleb's ball. Good job. Everybody got it between. Between. Jacob, don't lean back. You're losing the ball. Hayden! Hayden!
Come on, Jake.
Go with him. Tell him you're out there, Jacob. Yeah, tell him you're there.
Now you come this way.
Go up. Go with him.
There it is.
Yeah. Nice shot.
Caleb, Caleb, you're watching the ball, not him.
Good job, Bachman.
Okay, we just talked about it. Watch him.
Nice
Don't
pass.
stare at the ball.
Nice job, Jay.
I'll put some music over the top of this. Good job.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Stay on him, Josh.
Get back.
Stay on him, Josh. You got him.
It's like right here.
Right. Come to him. Come to him. Give him a space here.
Good job, Ashton. Stay on him, Ashton.
All right, Justin. Get out of there. Good job.
Justin, you okay? Chase, you good? Caleb's ball. Chase, there you go. Okay.
Possession.
Ashley, you gotta be up. You gotta be up for the ball. You gotta get up.
Follow him down there. Come on.
Outside. Outside. Outside.
Keep it going, keep it going. Josh and Caleb's got to get the ball. Sorry, guys. One shot.
You got time. You got time.
Hey, long field. We got a long, narrow field. Use it.
Come on, Justin. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Caleb, you got to go back. Justin's up. Caleb, go back. Call it tuck, guys. Good job, Caleb. Good job. Good job. Josh, you got to go back. In that hole. Josh, go back deeper. Johnny's ball, Johnny's ball.
Go, go, go.
Go. Go.
Jake, gather yourself. Take your time on that.
Justin! Johnny! Johnny, left side!
Shot in the foul.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, buddy?
Take a knee if you need it.
Run off, run off, run off. Yeah. He
You too? You too? Oh no, bloody no. Keep your head up.
Yeah.
Till we get there.
Let's send it.
Good job, Dad. Oh, good idea.
Go with him. Turn him. Between.
Trade it. Easy, easy. Come on. Easy. Yeah, Josh, he's looking for you. He's looking for you, Josh. Get back. Right, over there. Trade it. Throw it out over here. Come on. Thank you.
Turn and go.
Stop. Stay on your feet. Go send.
Yes. Nice. Get back.
Held him.
There you go. Good ball.
Come on.
He's trying to get behind him, Sam.
Let it run.
Everybody's got to come back. Jake, come back, Jake. Control it. Come on back, Jake. Come on.
Oh.
Heads up, heads up.
Hold the throw. Hold the throw. Hold the throw.
Go. All right, go.
Hope these guys don't get used to heading the ball. You need a lot of penalties called.
And this is playing. This is at 11, 12.
Yeah.
Johnny.
So when they run to the field, we can sing with you. I think I can make it there and back in time before the next game.
Josh, stay with it.
Energy outside. Go.
Here's your coordinate.
Come on, Justin.
Everybody back. Take out. Go, Josh, back. Take your shot.
Come on, guys. Pressure.
Come on. Get in here. Where we go?
Handle. Handball again.
Get him, Bill.
Chase ball. Everybody
I
else.
got 20.
Can't. Come on. Move towards Jake. Just stay with him for a second.
Turn and go. Go. Come on. Come on.
Nice ball.
Oh.
There you go, Josh. Come on, Jacob. Go with.
Again, Josh, you okay? Okay, goes the other way.
Good job, Cam.
You caught Taylor.
Go with it. Stand. Get up.
Nice.
Use your. Oh, we gotta get over these selfish tendencies.
Boys, you don't have to hold up. There's no outside. Get right on the goalie.
Okay, stay down, all right. Everybody should go well.
Any strong, Jess?
Chase, take the ball.
Good job, Brayden.
Everybody swing right now. Hold up and swing.
Yeah.
His nose is nice.
Yeah, he got hit and he managed not to get his foot. So that worked out. And I get in here, guys. You got what?
There it is. That's the way to answer. That's how you answer, guys.
Nice job.
Hey, way to get that back. Hey, they're going to do that right now to us. Let's win it. Minute and a half.
Caleb, you go up. Let Kate stay back. Kate, stay back.
Good job. Good tackle.
Go,
Talk
yeah,
to
go
them,
with them.
Jacob.
Go with them.
Kate. Tight, one guy.
Yeah, right.
Good job, Caleb.
Next turn.
Oh, Jake, don't let that ball over your toe.
I'm gonna rush out.
Go, Jacob.
And then I'm gonna rush back, okay?
Stay with them. Stay with them. Good job. Nice defense.
Oh,
Everybody back. Kate in. Tight, tight.
I told him against smaller players he's never getting the call.
Tight, Chase, tight. Tight. Tight, Chase, tighter.
You only need to give him. You don't need to give him 10 yards. Move up. Let it run.
Daddy's done now.
Go quick. Put it through. Oh.
Game.
Yeah, you got about 3 minutes left.
3 minutes?
Oh, guess not.